Hi, I'm Ray. Today we've got some mail, and it's quite a long box. So what do you reckon we've got? So it's quite thin and it's quite narrow. So let's have a look. So what we've actually got is a propagator. And now it's a great time for starting off seeds at home. And we've got a Super 7 self-watering propagation system. So if we reveal more and more and more, we've got a propagating system that self-waters. So we've got 7 trays, and the trays are quite small. They've got holes in the bottom, and each one of them has got a lid that fits on top. And we've got an open and close vent, so we can keep in touch of the temperature. And these are going to be great for starting seeds. And we've got 7 of the trays, and they all look pretty good. But the great thing about this is that it's a self-watering tray. We've got our main base, which is green, and it's just a water tray. And we've got some capillary matting, which goes over the tray. We fill up the base of the tray with a little cut-out nozzle. We put the water into the tray, and then we dampen the matting, and we tuck the matting into the tray at either end. And then the matting will absorb the water from the tray. And then we put our propagator trays on top. So this is expected to be able to water the trays for up to 14 days. And it's quite neat having these small trays, because once one item has been done, you can then take it off and reuse it. So this is the Garland Super 7 Windowsill Propagator, and the width is 90 centimetres by 20 centimetres by 20 centimetres, and all parts are designed to fit a windowsill, so it's nice and narrow, so above our radiator would be perfect. So these are currently on sale on Amazon at £24.17 with free postage, and I'll add a link on the description below. But I think that's pretty good. I'm always forgetting to water my seeds, so watering this every 7 to 14 days would be brilliant. I'm quite pleased with that. Quite pleased. All the plastics are 90% recyclable, and that's great. So looking forward to filling some of these up with some seeds and putting them on the windowsill above the radiator, and then they can get a constant temperature, and we can adjust each individual one. That's a really good idea. Really pleased with that. Nice little dinky tray, just ideal for a few seeds, a few chilli seeds, a few tomato seeds, a few pepper seeds. Quite pleased with that, and they can grow at least 2 inches tall, and then they'll be able to be potted out into their own trays from there. So quite looking forward to using this, and I'm going to have to go and search for some seeds now and find some seeds to put in here. So yeah, really pleased, quite handy. So better get on and find some seeds. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get some notifications when I post some more videos, and we can see how well this works. Cheers!